What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off automatic dubbing on your YouTube and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, we just need to go over here on a Google Chrome, and which means you have to sign into the YouTube account like this. Now from here what you need to do is you just need to go over here and you have to tap over here on the profile icon and go for the YouTube studio. Now, in my case, I have already signed over here. As you can see, this is my YouTube studio, and from here I have to scroll down and navigate to the settings. Now from here I have to go to upload defaults and you have to go to advanced settings. Now if I scroll down, as you can see, you can see there is automatic dubbing, and over here as you can see I have put a check on both this allow automatic dubbing and also manually reviews dubs before publishing. So what I need to do is, if I wanted to completely turn this off, what I need to do is just go over here, you have to put an uncheck this one, that is allow automatic dubbing, and you have to go for save over here. And once you're done with this one, you can check. Most probably what happens is it will be completely turned off. But for example, if someone is watching any kind of video and they felt like they want to turn off the automatic dubbing, then how we can do this? So to do so, we just need to go over here, click on any kind of videos that you wanted to watch. For example, let me click on this one, and if I wanted to completely turn off the automatic dubbing, what I need to do is once you get into the video that you're watching right now, you can just go over here, click on this one. And over here as you can see we have various options over here, and you have to click on audio track and you have to click on this one. Now from here you have to select the language that you wanted to listen. So for example, in my case I've selected the English US. So what happens is every video that you're watching, it will be in the English, so you can watch it over here. And this is how we can do this, and it's quite simple as it is. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.